MTN Group, the African leading mobile operator, reported a cybersecurity breach that affected customer data in some of its markets. However, the company assured the stakeholder that in a critical system, which includes the core network billing and financial platform, remains secure and operational. An unidentified third party accessed the MTN Power system, and while the full extent of the breach is still under investigation, there is no evidence that customer account or digital wallet were compromised. MTN is collaborating with law enforcement, which includes South African police and the Hawks, and this has begun in notifying affected customer in line with the local regulation. The company urged the customer to take a proactive steps such as enabling multi-factor authentication and avoid sharing sensitive information. It also recommended updating apps, using strong password, and being able to suspicious of messages. I am Olakunle, reporting for Ask Nigeria. Let me know your take on this.